How to download Assassin's Creed game on your PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download our official game of Assassin's Creed on your PC. So first thing, simply head over to your Steam application. If you haven't already downloaded it, you can download it for free on from your any of your browser. So once you successfully download it, just open the application over here and just click on the search button over here. And since we want to download Assassin's Creed, so let me just select Assassin's Creed. So if I select like this, as you can see, it will show all of the games from the Assassin's Creed series. So I will just click on it, and once you scroll down, you'll be seeing all of the Assassin's Creed games which has been released so far. So you can tap on any one of those, whichever you want to play, whichever you want to download, and just make sure, since it's an official game, so we will have to make a payment for this game to be able to download on our device. And once inside here, just click on this view page from over here, and from over here what you can do is basically select the edition like deluxe edition or edition. Just have to click on continue payment if your decision is final with this particular game. And once you click on continue to payment, it will take you to this page, and just make sure your means of payment, you can either choose from one of these options. So let me just select PayPal and click on continue from over here, and it will take you to the web page where you just have to enter your PayPal login credentials and make sure you have enough balance on your PayPal as well. And once you do all of that, you will have successfully bought the game from your Steam, and simply install the game and play the official Assassin's Creed game on your PC. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.